In this video, we want to talk about how to create an Instagram Reels ad. This is very important because sometimes you just want to create a Reels ad, just Instagram Reels. You don't want this ad to show on the feed because of course the creatives are not the same. You just want to create an Instagram Reels ad. That's what we are going to do in this video. My name is Goodnoel and I make videos like this. So if you like this video, then you should like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are not yet subscribed. So before you start running an Instagram Reel ad, you need to know one or two things. And what you have to know is that first, if you must run this type of ads, your ad creative, it must be a video, because that is a video placement platform on the Instagram app. Secondly, your video must not be more than 30 seconds because it's a short video it's a short video style. So your video must not be more than 30 seconds. Also, your video must be in a portrait mode. So these are the three things that you must factor in before you start running this kind of ad. So if you are ready, let's begin. Now this is the business ad manager, and if you do not know how to get here, you need to go to business.facebook.com. This is the business end of Facebook. So I'm here now. Let's go to create and we can start creating. So we can use basically any objective we want here. Alright, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a traffic objective because we want to push traffic to our Instagram Reels and probably our Instagram stories too. But you can use any of these objectives here. Let's use this one, and then we proceed. We click on continue and we go to the campaign level, and here we just name our campaign. So I'm just going to call it Instagram Reels. So this is basically all we need to do here, and then I'm just going to copy it, so I'll just be pasting it as we go. So we go to next, and this is the ad set level. I'm just going to do the same thing here, paste it and name it the same thing. So basically what we want to do is that we want to send people to we want to create a Reels ad, and then we want to actually tie our website. Our call to action is going to be our website, so we are just going to leave this to website. So we come down to budget. Again, you just set the budget you want, any amount you want. This account is in Nigerian naira, so this is the default. You can put any amount you want from $1. The minimum should be $1 or thereabout. So you set your start date when you want this advert to start, the date, the time, and when you want it to end. So you come down here and then you set your options. So I'm just going to edit this. I'm going to leave this thing like this because it's a Reels ad. It's a Reels ad, and we are trying to just reach everybody at the same time, or anybody we can reach. So I'm equally going to leave the location set to Nigeria. But if you have a targeted location in mind, you can always just remove that, come here and put locations that you want. So you can set locations. You can say Lagos, you can say Edo. So you already know where the people you want to target are, so you just select the cities or states or countries or towns, and then you come down here, you select the age. So I'm just going to keep it to let's say 22 to let's say 45 or even 40, because older people, they don't do Reels, they don't know how to do Reels. So if you come here, you can select the gender. I'm just going to leave it at all genders, and then this is where the main thing is. Here where we have placement, This is practically the most important aspect. So we don't want this to be set to automatic because it's going to go anywhere it wants. And remember, the creative you are using, your video, is not going to fit into other kind of placement. So let's say, let me give you an instance. Let's say we want it to be on Facebook, and then let's say the Facebook news feed, it's not going to fit. This is how the news feed should come out, and your video is not in this format. Your video is in a portrait format. So we are going to uncheck everything here. We don't want it to show on Instagram or anywhere, on Facebook or the audience network. We just want this to show on Instagram and not even on the Instagram feed. So we are going to uncheck the feed, and we are going to uncheck explore. We are going to uncheck the Instagram shop. We are just going to leave the Instagram stories, and here the Instagram reels. As you can see that the creative has changed. All right, the creative has changed. So if you want to shoot your video has to be in this format. This is a portrait format. So this is how you shoot it, and then it's going to fit into stories and then into the reels. And now let's go to the ad level, where we need to create our ad. So we come to the ad level, and we want to select the page and then the ad. So let me just paste this thing again. Then I'm going to select the page I want to use for this advert. So this is where you select the page, and of course this page needs to be connected to an Instagram account so it can run there. So this is the Instagram account it has connected to. I already have it connected. If you don't know how to connect it, I have a video that shows you how to connect it. So you should just check that video in the description of this very one. All right, so here you can come here and select the post from your Instagram account directly. So you come to use existing post. All right, so you can now select the post. Again, your post needs to be a video, and then it must not be more than 30 seconds. All these ones will not fit because these are not videos, and they don't even fit in the I think this one should fit. All right, it should fit, but it's not a video. So I'm just going to help you create a short, simple video so you see how it's done. So before that, let's go back to create ad. So we want to create it from scratch. So you can come here and say we want to use a single video or a single image, and then from here we can select the video or the image. So let me just go to Canva so we can create a short story video. So Canva is one of my favorite drag and drop design platform. Basically everybody loves Canva. So we come to Canva, we just come here and search for Instagram reels. You can actually use stories for this, but let's see if Canva can bail us out. So let's say Instagram reels. Yeah, so we have something here. So as you can see, reels are usually videos. So we are just going to use one of the templates that Canva will give us. So these are templates that you can edit and use. All right, so you already know the message you want to pass. with your ad. So you must have created that. It can just be a short video. You don't have to overthink it. Just make it a short, simple video that tells people exactly what you want them to know. So I'm just going to download this one. Let's not waste much time. This one is free. Let me just open this one and download it, so we can just use it, and then we wrap up with this video. So let's preview it, and then we are going to download it. I don't know why this is slow. Why are you taking this long time, my friend? So let's just preview it, and then of course if you want to use Canva, you can edit basically everything here. But I'm not going to do all of that. So let's just download this video. So this video fits. We are downloading it as an MP4. So we download, it's going to download right here. Okay, it's downloading up here. It's downloading. So let's go back, and then we can just come and upload it. So we want to add a video. And then want to upload this video. Want to upload it because we don't have anything like that here. So we want to go to our computer and find the one we just downloaded. So let's go to downloads and see if our stuff has finished downloading. Let's check if it is done downloading. Let me close that and check. Okay, it's not done downloading. Okay, I think we are done now. Can I drag and drop? Okay, beautiful. I can even drag and drop it. So I just dragged and dropped, and as you can see, it's uploading here. It's uploading, and we are going to see a preview of how our ad will be showing on people's stories and reels on Instagram. So it's still, our video is still processing, and then while we wait for it to process, we can put our primary text here. So this is our primary text. Come shop with us. I'm not going to write everything out, so I'm just going to say shop with us. I didn't have this prepared. Shop with us. All right, and then you put, this is your short headline. Let's say selling out fast. All right, so you are going to be seeing a preview of everything you are doing here. So this is how it's going to show. So you can see this is the stories and this is the reels. So we need to add our website here. So I'm just going to put my own website, which is goodnoel.com. All right, so this is actually where you put your sales page, your landing page link, or whatever you want to channel it to. All right, so if you come down here, you are going to see how our ad is going to show. See where the learn more button is, and if they click it, it's going to take them to the website. This is for the stories. For the reels, you can see that it takes them to, this is how it's going to display. This is where the learn more button is. So you just have to write out what you want to write so people can see it clearly. So this is basically how you create it, and once you have this set up, you just come here and you hit publish. So your ad will be reviewed, and after the review, it will either be approved or rejected. If they reject it, you have to check why they rejected it, and then you publish again and they can approve it. So that's how you create an Instagram Reels ad. And if you like this video, then you should give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. That'll be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. My name is Goodnoel. Bye bye.